Hey guys, also here with AMRC and Small Engines. We're gonna duel it today. Duel 5 horses. Yeah, 5 horses. We got an 04, we got an 05. And surprisingly, the 04 looks in way better shape than the 05, but I imagine it got used more than that one. Guesstimate. They've set up for years from the ticket, what it says. So we're gonna take a look at them and see what's going on. We got a won't start, won't turn over, nothing, been sitting for years. So we're gonna see what happens. And I know what it means when they say sitting for years. Oh yeah, I don't have to worry. But that's all right. We'll put this in the background. It's so crazy. You're gonna take the gas cap off to get it open. So, all right. And to be honest with you, I ain't worked on one of these yet. But it's going to be typical of every Mercury. Motor, drive shaft, lower unit, carburetor. In this instance, carburetor. So, ooh, got some compression. Okay, so let's start. We're gonna have a little throttle to start. There is a choke. So I imagine it's been sitting for years. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna tighten this thing down. Now I can pull and wrench and all that stuff on it without it falling off. Because I can fall off really easy. I do not want to drop a man's boat motor on the ground and have to pay for a cowling and stuff. Or a prop, whatever gets damaged. Okay. So we'll hold that up. We'll have to move this. Assuming to there. Yeah. That's pretty good. I can take that. Yeah, it's sitting there. No. I want it all the way. I want it all the way down there. That's better. Okay. So. First thing I want to do is take this off. We're going to shoot it with some juice. And we're just going to make sure that it cranks. If I can find my tools. Here we go again. I'm so tired and wore out from working. I'm losing tools. And they have to. Oh, I know where they're at. I know exactly where they're at. gonna take him home, work on my wife's car yesterday. And I better left every bit of it sitting on the trash can out front of the house. Yep. Sure did. Sure did. Ain't even gotta go look. I know where it's at. It's okay. Yeah. We're gonna bring a thing over here to put parts and tools. Sound like it'll run. We already know the impeller's bad, so I'm not worried about putting it in water right now. But I do want it to fire off. You getting no fire? Nah, let's try a better shot. It'll run. Okay. So, into huh. Huh. It's actually in good shape. I mean, looks brand new. Fuel shut off. So, get fired up. I'm going to hook it to the bottom. And we're going to see if it'll run. Because I ain't going to be able to get that in the blue bucket, not on that stand. I got to build a different stand to do that. So, let's get our two-stroke gas. Wherever the fuck that's at. I just cursed on here. My mouth's getting bad. I'm just tired and aggravated, guys. Yep, I'm going to have to walk out here and get the gas tank. I think it's in a boat. Oh. All right. Huh? Really? Hmm. Okay. All right. I'm gonna take a page out of my own book. Yeah. Try that again. All right. So I'm gonna have to get a 5-gallon bucket. I'm gonna have to try to run it. This is full of water. All right. Yep. We're gonna put some water in it. We're gonna check the color, which is gonna have to be changed anyway. But I do it with this on there because it holds the hose in there and don't spray stuff everywhere. So yeah. Oh, the bucket's broke. You better hurry up. Alright, let's see what happens. Oh. Really? I mean, does it have an electrical issue? Alright. I know what that problem is. Now I'm sitting here being hard-headed instead of just pulling it and checking it. It actually don't look bad, but I understand that. We're going to check it for spark. No spark right now.
Okay. That motor probably has not been PDI. The warranty. Oh, that's the radio. I thought somebody was talking.
Yeah, no. No, I got the I thought you were looking at 4-wheeler.
Okay. The motor was shipped from Tennessee.
Okay.
Un-PDI. So the little tube that you got to take off the VST.
I already checked that.
It's off.
Yeah.
Okay.
Pretty sure there's no tag hanging there. No, nothing. I took both sides off to check and make sure.
Okay. Then we need to call Techline, pull the dial.
Got it.
Okay. Oh, yeah, you got it.
It's already sent to you.
Okay. And then already sent to them, so we need to call the Techline. And if the motor needs to be PD, so they did PDI. If that little thing is off.
Well, that one don't have one.
Huh? That one. The newer one. That's 23.
I don't know. Yeah, guys. Figured out why it wouldn't start, and y'all probably already seen it when I did it. Yeah, I didn't have that plugged in, I don't think. I think I left it off. So anyway, yeah. Yeah. Now, we should be able to crank it back up. I'm pretty sure that's what I did. I think I left that kill switch off. And I'm pretty sure that this one doesn't spit water back out, but we're just going to make sure. Sucked all the fuel out. So, I bet you. Whoa, 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 whoa. God, y'all tangled up underneath there. We'll run it off of the tank. Like I said, I ain't worked on one of these yet. So, I bet you it has to run from the tank. Get it running again. Really? Yeah, it's running out of fuel. Guess what that means? Carburetor cleaning time. Alright, so that's one. And it does have an impeller, by the way. It was spitting water out. So, but it runs. We're just running out of fuel. And fuel is on. Yeah. Yeah, see, it's got fuel in it now. Yep, not getting no fuel. So that one we'll have to give him a estimate on carburetor rebuild. You know what's going on there. Oh, man. Yeah, I ain't trying to force that. All right. Oh, man. So, I'm going to put this with this one. Well, the shoe pin over, yeah. Got compression. Woo! I see some dirt falling out. That ain't good. All right, well, we're going to do the same thing. This one looks like it is set significantly longer than the other. Yeah. Ooh, that one's stiff. Yeah. It runs. Boy, I bet you it ain't going to have no water no fit. And no, I didn't go into gear with that one because it'll work. And I'll have to pull all that apart and look at everything anyway. So, this one I will check. That's broke off. I don't know if that's going to seal, but we'll try it. We'll put that on backwards. Yeah. Let's just see. Yep, it'll run. It got water coming at it. So, they run. So now I'll get an estimate together, let the customer know. And if he decides to do them, which he probably will, they were his dad's. His dad's passed away, unfortunately. So we'll see if we can't get them running again and where he can enjoy them. So thanks for watching. Subscribe. throw me a thumbs up if you like that video. And let me know what you think of the video. Until next time, later.